Hi, Maria here for Beauty Junkees, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Beauty Junkees Contour and Highlighting Palette. The Beauty Junkees Contour and Highlighting Palette makes it quick and easy to sculpt and highlight like a pro, with 6 different shades to help you define, enhance, and even minimize facial features in just a few simple steps. To start, pick the contour shade that best suits your skin tone. I'll be using the center shade Java, using the Beauty Junkees Pro Sculptor brush and dipping that into the product, coating both sides of the brush and tapping off any excess. The places you'll typically want to apply is to the perimeters of your face in a 3 and E shape. But I like to start first with the hollows of my cheek to create that beautifully sculpted cheekbone. Gently sweep the brush back and forth to place product where you want. Then you can move in circular or sweeping motions to blend it up and out. Next, you can move down to the jawline and even down the neck to diminish the look of a double chin, picking up more product as needed. The key is to blend, blend, blend for a chiseled yet natural look. So you'll see me blend over some of the same areas a few times just to make sure that each area we add product to blends seamlessly into the last area. Moving on, I'll apply some product to the forehead, mostly along my hairline. This helps reduce the appearance of a more prominent forehead. For more precise contour, you can use a smaller brush like the Beauty Junkees Pro Detailer. For this, I'll be using a lighter, cooler tone contour shade, so it looks a little bit more like a natural shadow. And I'll apply that just under my lips to create the illusion of a more pouty lip. Next, I will use the same shade to contour my nose. To do this, simply sweep the brush lightly down the sides of the nose, creating an angle at the tip of your nose, and sweeping all the way up to the front of your brows. Doing this creates the look of a slimmer, shorter nose. Remember, just add the smallest amount of product at a time. You can always apply more if needed. You also want to keep the lines fairly close together. The closer the lines, the slimmer your nose looks. With contouring done, next it's time to highlight. The Beauty Junkees Contouring Makeup Sponge is a great tool to use for this. Using the pointed side, I will use the matte yellow banana highlight shade first and apply that under my eyes. Yellow is helpful for color correcting dark circles. I like to apply this a bit heavy-handed, which will look a little bit wild at first, but will come together in the end to help blend everything together. Feel free to apply less product as you see fit. Next, I will go into the matte vanilla shade to brighten up the center of my face, applying it to the chin and forehead. As well, I will apply a touch along my jawline just under where I placed the contour shade. This helps you achieve a well-blended, sculpted look and cleans up any contour that may have gone too low. Now it's time to buff and blend. Using the Beauty Junkees Pro Duo Fiber Brush, I will sweep away any excess powder, while also gently buffing and blending everything together for a seamless look. Lastly, for more of a glow, we can use the shimmer highlight shade Sand with the Pro Highlighting Brush to apply. Applying this to the tops of the cheekbones helps provide a more lifted look, as well as a youthful glow. You can also apply around the arch of the brows, the cupid's bow, and the bridge of your nose, wherever you want to glow. You can again use the Pro Detailer brush for smaller places like the inner corner of the eyes, or for precise application down the bridge of your nose and cupid's bow. And here's the final look using the Beauty Junkees Contour and Highlighting Palette. I hope you found this helpful and have a beautiful day.